So we have reached the 10th episode of our weight loss series, Weight Loss with Simple Habits. We covered so many interesting points in the last 9 episodes, but today in 10th episode we are covering what to do in the next 30 days to lose weight. A realistic 30-day plan to help you lose inches right at your home. We have divided 1 month into 4 weeks. So in the first week, instead of thinking what I need to cut from my diet, we will focus on what I need to do and what I need to add in my plate. We need to include more fruits, more vegetables, more protein in our diet. So that's the focus in the first week. We'll ensure that we are eating fruits on a daily basis. We'll ensure that we are including salads on a daily basis. We'll ensure that we are eating protein. And what are the healthy sources of protein? Including soy products, including tofu, including paneer, including rajma, including chane, including dals, pulses, legumes. We'll ensure that we are eating them in enough quantity. And anyways, if you are Indian, you are habitual of eating roti or rice. We will continue with that. But we'll ensure that we are eating fruits, vegetables and or protein. The next thing we are going to focus on is increasing our daily movement. If not exercise, at least we'll begin with walking more at home, going out for brisk walking if we can, because the goal is weight loss. The goal is to burn more calories. So more activity and right kind of food is essential for weight loss. So that's our first week. Simple, not much effort, just eating more healthy food and trying to burn more calories. Here comes the second week. In second week, we'll try to cut down on calories. Are we overeating? Generally, people eat more food than they need. We'll try to see where are we overeating and we'll cut down on that. As an Indian, we eat more rotis and more rice. So we'll cut down on roti and rice a little bit. We'll try to organize the plate where we add more sabji, less roti. Generally, people eat more roti and less sabji, but here we are going to correct it. We are going to eat more sabji and less roti. With one roti, we'll take one big bowl of sabji. This way your intake of vegetables will be higher. Your body will get more of fiber, and we'll also ensure that we are eating protein. So whatever we done in the first week, we'll continue with that, and in the second week we'll add more things to it. And second week we'll ensure that at least once a week we are starting off with strength training. Strength training could be 3 days a week, depends on your schedule, but at least once a week. And brisk walking and more movement at your home, at your office, taking stairs, parking a little far away. The ultimate goal to achieve weight loss is to burn more calories. And the only way to do is to be more active and to look at your eating habits. This is the only way possible. And now comes the third week. In the third week, we'll try to build routine and discipline into your routine. So in the third week, we'll do more of planning. We'll organize the foods in advance, because you just started off this journey of weight loss. In the first 2 weeks, maybe few days you had to rush to buy your fruits, you had to rush to get the right kind of snacks. But here we'll do meal planning. We'll organize the foods in advance, at least a day before. So we'll organize fruits, vegetables, snacks right in advance. Protein rich snacks, everything right in advance, so that you can stay consistent on your routine. Easy, right? Nothing difficult. Fourth week, we'll work on our lifestyle habits. So generally people eat more food. When you eat food in front of television with distractions. So now we build certain lifestyle habits and we'll switch off the phone and television while eating food. We'll work on our sleeping cycle, sleeping quality. Getting proper sound sleep is essential for fat loss, for fat burning. So if we try to sleep on time and getting the sound quality sleep, we'll focus on that. And we'll also review the last 3 weeks. Since you're doing it on your own, so you have to monitor, you have to see, analyze your own plan, analyze your own performance in the last week. So we'll review which meals are keeping me full for long, where did I binge. We'll make down a list of that and we'll work on these points in the next months to come. So this is how you will plan your first 4 weeks to begin off your journey, to kick off your weight loss journey. It's nothing difficult. It's easy and practical. And I highly recommend you to watch the complete weight loss series to achieve weight loss. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for my next video.